Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and if you've watched this channel at all, you know that I'm a big fan of the GEPRC Rocket. This little guy is the first one I ever spent a lot of time flying FPV acro in and really learned how to fly. It's a great little beginner quad. It's very versatile, it's very durable. But there are times when things get broken, and we're gonna see how it flies without prop guards, so stay tuned. This is a very lightweight quad and doesn't have a whole lot of mass, but the prop guards, even though they're 3D printed and they're pretty lightweight, they're still gonna add some resistance, some air resistance, as well as a little bit of weight to it. And so I'm just curious how this thing does without them, because it flies great with the prop guards. But I thought I would just go ahead and cut the others off, and we'll take it for a little flight here and see how it does. Now, why am I cutting them off instead of just unscrewing them? Because these two are already gone on this side, and on this side they're already cracked really badly, and so they're not really salvageable. They've been glued many times. So I figured I'd just cut them off, and I would save myself the hassle of having to put in shorter screws, because if I did take them all the way out, these screws actually hold the motors to the frame as well as holding the prop guard in place. So as I mentioned, these are already pretty much gone, so I'm going to just cut that one off. So that's going to leave this little round bit here on the bottom, which is fine. I'll cut this part off. There's 3 arms on each one, so 2 of the arms are already gone from both of those. And then, like I said, on these are cracked pretty badly. I don't know if you can see that, but they're kind of coming apart. So there's actually only one arm holding this whole thing together, so go ahead and cut that. Careful not to cut anything else. And pull that one off. All right, there it is without any prop guards. It's definitely looks different. I have the other one here that still has the prop guards, but this is the Rocket Lite, which has the Caddx Vista unit in it. But I'm here at a really cool spot to fly. It's an old farmhouse that is in the middle of some office buildings and is just kind of a preserved space, and they are just kind of set up here with lots of cool spaces to fly through, and hopefully nobody minds me doing it. So let's give it a try.
Set drone, 'cause Ready Set Drone will always fly with me. Flying fast and flying free, flying with friends is a life for me, 'cause Ready Set Drone is my community. And cameras are what luck in your phone. Fly with us, and we think you'll agree. Ready, set, drone. Ready, set, drone. What's the point of flying alone? Fly with friends will make you feel so free. Flying with friends will make you feel so free.
So I realize this wasn't a super scientific video, but just the general feeling you get of a Rocket Lite without the prop guards is pretty significantly different. It is very agile, really can be thrown around, responds well when it's given throttle off the ground, seems to kind of bank into corners a little bit better. It's a lot of fun. If you have a Rocket or a Rocket Lite, I'd suggest giving it a try. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.
Ready, set, drone. Ready, set, drone. What's the point of flying alone? Fly with friends will make you feel so free. Flying with friends will make you feel so free.